Hey everyone, had a problem with my headlights. It's a 2017 Outlander Can-Am. Headlights kept filling up with water. Basically, after I changed the bulbs and put some LED bulbs in from a company in the States. So let's take a look at what I did here. Quick flip through the owner's manual to get to the right page. I want to see what Can-Am specs for a light bulb. Okay, so they come in with an H1. Okay, this is a Can-Am Lie or mistype, I don't know. There's the factory bulb, H11. So I went to this company, superbrightleds.com. Here's a clip from on their website.
So I also want to add, this is not a knock against the company. This is a problem I had with one of their products. I never did contact their customer service, so I can't comment on that. I always blame the water in the lights as a Can-Am problem.
So this is their H11. Which says ATV LED headlight bulbs, snowmobile LED headlight bulbs, UTV LED bulbs. Then it also says these waterproof CAN bus compatible bulbs operate blah blah blah, long lasting kit, waterproof. Here it's waterproof IP65 rating. So let's check out what that means. Able to protect against water jets, water projected by a nozzle, against enclosure from any direction shall have no harmful effects. Test duration at least 15 minutes, water volume 12.5 liters per minute, pressure 30 kPa at distance of 3 meters. Here's me putting the bulb in, factory Can-Am headlight lens, and I put in a bucket of water and I put food coloring in the water so you can see the water easier in the lens. There you go, look, almost 16 seconds, there's already water in there. I also siliconed the bulbs to the lens, thinking that was the problem. And now the lens are totally garbage. Look at all the water in there, the blue water. The lens are garbage, the silver reflective has come off. But 36, 37 seconds, and it's filling up with water. That was not pressure, 30 kPa. This one here, I filled the lens up and put the bulb in. Now, it took a while to get going here. But see how the bulb just spins on the retaining ring? And there it goes. Certain angles, and I guess bouncing around, the bulb bouncing around in there. So that's garbage. I was impressed the bulbs still worked after being filled up with water for so long. I was almost tempted to put fish in there. Now look at the retaining ring. It just comes off. No seals, no gaskets. I understand some retaining rings you can turn with a set screw to get your beam to bounce properly in the headlight enclosure, but put a gasket or something. That seal's good. But everything else, no good. And now you see what the problem is. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.